down prior to this turn, checking our mirrors. Even with some of these little pull-outs and turn-offs from the main road right there, you still got all these cars coming behind you doing 60 miles an hour. Don't take it for granted that everybody's paying attention. Somebody might look up from their text message and see 2 motorcycles ahead kind of drifting off to the right. They might assume that's where the road's going, so they drift off to the right to follow those bikes and then look back down at the text message to finish it. And when they look up again, they're still doing 50 miles an hour, but those 2 motorcycles in front of them are doing 5 miles an hour because they're getting ready to turn a corner. And now this truck's plowing into those 2 bikes at 50 miles an hour. Gotta pay attention.